In this tutorial, we will learn what are featured snippet or featured Google search results, also called rich snippet, and how to implement this Google search results that are featured in the schema and how to implement it, what are its uses, how it is beneficial for you, how it can bring you extra useful traffic in a simple way. So if you don't know it already, let me give you an example. How does featured snippets looks like, how does featured Google search results work, how it is useful, and why you should be using it. So we're going to go and make this search. So this is a featured snippet results. It has multiple ways how it appears. It can appear as a product, it can appear as a description. So unlike traditional way how your Google search results appear, it will be appearing in a way that is relevant to your content type. If it is a video, it might be showing video preview. If it is a location, it might be showing Google Maps. If it is a product, it will be showing product with the price, with the ratings and the review. So it is a very interactive way. So it brings you extra click-through rate, it brings you extra clicks, and it brings you extra traffic that converts into more sales. So this is an example. This is another example of featured snippet result, but if you go and look into products, for example, it has the picture and the description appearing, so definitely it will be bringing in more users. So I'm trying to give you an example of a product. So let's say e-commerce, and we also put in schema or schema. All right. So here you have it. You have this example. Uh, you also have this example. So you have the product appearing with the name of the product, and it has the total reviews appearing. So featured snippets is very useful when you are creating your campaigns, your search engine optimization campaigns. So let's go back, and if you don't have this plugin installed already, you can go and install this plugin. The plugin name is, you can try writing rich snippet. The plugin is here. We already have it installed and activated, but you can install it and activate it if you haven't already. So you go to rich snippet settings, and you can configure it according to your requirements. Like it has item review, your product settings, you can customize it if you like. And by default, when you go and add a product in your WooCommerce products, it's gonna ask you how do you want to describe the product. So when you go here, you have this schema enabled. If you don't have the Yoast SEO plugin installed already, you will install it unless you want to use a different product or a different plugin. So it already says that the page type is product. So if you have a different page, like frequently asked questions page, you can convert it into that, and that's how you optimize for featured Google search results.